What is up, YouTube? A9 here, and welcome back to episode 3 of Over-Engineering Survival. So, last time, we got some power going, and we also got our oxygen generating system online, which has rolled down into this hole. Whatever. I did a bit of mining off camera, so we have a good amount of resources. Could be better, but first things first, I think we're gonna build a chair on the base so I can actually see how much power or how much heat it's generating when things are turned on. Okay, wait, we might actually have to build something else. Passenger seat is unlocked. It's called passenger seat. Okay, well, worst comes to worst, we're going to put a toilet on it. Because, I actually have no idea where the passenger chair is on this list. But anyways, I was going to build a interior wall, anyways, as well as a landing gear. So, well, I think it's 8, so let's not waste any construction components. Put 2 back. Grab 9 more of these. There we go. So we have unlocked a bunch of new blocks. Next up is the landing gear, which I need oxygen. Apparently I only have 1 of left. So we might just be making our own again, because I'm not sure if I destroy that, it might just start rolling down the hill. Although, it ending up in this hole wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, because at least then it would be protected. So, okay, what do I need? I need 1 steel plate and 1 motor. Right. And we've unlocked a bunch of new blocks. Awesome. So let's see if that unlocked the passenger seat. Okay, it unlocked the passenger seat anyways. Oof. That lag when that thrush spawned in. Okay, so we're gonna need 10 of those and 10 of those. We're just gonna put... yeah, we'll put it right here. Oh wait, ha, you know what? I think it's just 10 interior plates that it needs. Whatever. I forgot. It's fine. Okay, so it's holding at about, we'll say, ambient temperature, 17 degrees. Even though the climate of this planet is freezing, I'm not going to question it. It's fine. Alright. What happens when both of these things are toggled on? What's the heat looking like? Okay, it's not climbing, which makes me think that's okay. So I don't think it generates heat unless it's actually being used. I could be wrong. Alright. I need to get oxygen, and then we're gonna build a better wind tower because I'm an idiot, and for some reason I thought just putting them at basically ground height would generate power. It does, but I could have gotten away with just 1 if I'd made a taller tower. So, I mean, it's fine for right now. Uh-oh. That might actually get a little close. I might have to go for a run. So, anyways, we're just going to go out this way as to not interfere with that one, because I actually still kind of want it to generate power. I think that's probably far enough away. You know, we'll go one more. And we're gonna start building up, and we're gonna be using, get these off my bar. Did that unlock catwalks? It did. Okay, cool. So we can, ooh, these create construction components to place. That's fine, it's not the end of the world. Production. Let's get a few of them made. We'll end up using them. That's not where staircases are. Staircases are their own thing. They're ladders, right? Yeah. And the reason why I'm not using ladders is because ladders, you have to fully complete them in order for them to work. Alright, it's a bit of a waste, but we'll do that. Oh, and we're extra components because I only grabbed 2. I think we're clear on the thrush. Are there any more? There aren't. Okay. I'm seeing as I'm already over here, I'm just gonna grab some more oxygen. I could, you know, I'll hold both of them because I don't need that much inventory space for right now. And I'm gonna get some more interior plates being made. Except we're out of iron because I made a lot of steel plates. Let's see how we can get 2. Awesome. Oh, that means I think we're probably going to go doing some more mining. Yeah. Yeah, more mining it is. Okay. Just drop off everything. Drop my tools off so I have more inventory space. Grab my drill. I'll do some mining, and then I'll be back. Alright, so we got a bunch of more mining done. Currently, the wind isn't actually powerful enough to power all my stuff, so we gotta wait till the wind speed picks up. Because I adjusted some of the settings in the aerodynamics mod. Namely, I actually kind of turned it on. So the wind speed now fluctuates, which also affects how much power we get. Including Splitsie's lowered power from wind as part of his survival impossible mod, or whatever it's called. But let's grab these. Let's grab an actual tool. And let's go up. So 3. Nope. 3. I kind of want the one with the corner. There we go. No. Even though it doesn't kind of look the part, you know, it's still gotta be safe. Oops. Shit. How many times do you think I'm gonna do that while building this thing? Now I gotta be careful, because I think if I fall, I'm probably gonna take a lot of damage. Okay, down, rotate, climb up, place block. Get precariously close to the edge and hope not to fall and die. Repeat, place this, and repeat 1,000 times. So I'm gonna get up a fairly high distance. Yeah, I'm gonna take this very slow, so I'll probably either fast forward through it or just skip to when I'm done. In either rate, I will see you then. Alright, welcome back, guys. So, I think we're at a good height. Wind speed is about 3 meters a second, which is like 3 meters a second higher than it is at ground level, so I think we're at a good height. I have no way of knowing because I can't actually see the ground because it's so dark. Oh wait, there's my base. We're definitely higher up. I don't know if I'm high enough, but we'll find out when I get a wind generator placed, and I think I can reach. Yeah, okay. Let's just get some blocks right there. I have no way of placing the blocks on the outside of that. Can I reach that edge? Come on. If I fall from this, I'm dead. So, come on. Whew.
Energy low.
Can I reach? I think if I put a block there, yeah, I can reach that. Move back. Put a block there. Grind that away. Put that there. Get a... Oh, I have that already there. Get a wind thingy. Place that there. Oh, yeah. Now, sadly, I don't think I can build railings up here because it'll interfere with the wind. For some silly reason. I'm also thinking about putting a, whatchamacallit, a hydrogen generator or engine on, there we go. This thing just to keep its power up and recharge that battery a little bit because it's currently got 1 hour of power. Which means I think it will probably die before the sun comes up. So actually, I think that's what we gotta do right now. We gotta get a hydrogen Jenny on this thing fast. Just give me those. Sadly, that means I'm gonna have to do a lot of ice mining, but hey, whatever. You know. I think I should have. Yeah, I did unlock it. Good. Okay. We need steel plates. Okay, we need 1 power cell, 1 1 computer, 4 and 6 of those. Sorry about that, guys. My recording PC decided to just stop functioning again. It's an old computer, so, you know, it's got many issues. But we were just finishing building that, so I built that. And then I basically said, alright, great, we're not done with ice mining because, yeah, so I gotta fill this thing. I think it's empty. Yeah, it's empty again. So I gotta do a lot more ice mining. But I said we'll do that once we're finished making that, and I brought up the majority of the materials needed to finish it. I just need not that. I need 6 of those. 6 of those. Look at her spin. Like no tomorrow. Let's see what the power generating on it is. Oops, that was the right thing. Number 3. Optimal. There we go. Look at that. Current output 333. Where max is 400. So we're almost there. Current wind speed 121. Or how much? 21. 21. What am I doing? I can't think. Huh. How are those generating the same as this? Actually, this one's generating less. What? I'm very confused. Because there should be nothing that's interfering with that one. You know what? Whatever. I'm not going to question it. We got more power coming in. Oh, wait. That's the wrong thing. I need to grab my drill, and I need to do a bunch of ice mining. Speaking of ice, I need oxygen. Ow. Alright, I'm going to do a bunch of ice mining just so our survival pod doesn't, you know, die. And then we'll come back, and I think we're going to get started on making a small vehicle to go look around for a bigger supply of iron. Alright, so ice mining complete for now. Next order of business, I want to get... do I have access to rotors? Please tell me I have access to rotors. If I don't, I'll be very simple. Yes, okay, I do. Good. Some of these. Because while we're building this thing, I want its power to be being recharged on the battery we're going to put on it. Here, come on. Build, invoke, come on. Ah, I was pressing the wrong button. That would do it. Add small head. There we go. Alright. Oh, I should have been using pipes for this, but... Oh well, it's not the other world. Okay, so what we're going to need on this thing is... I want it to... I want to be able to get up on here, first of all. That's... Yeah. Okay, so let's grab plates. Should probably build some construction components, seeing as I'm out of those. And these things take construction components, which means I'm not going to use them. There we go. There we go. Good enough. I hope. Is that close enough? Yes, it is. Okay. So we are going to need a battery. Which I'll put... I think I'm going to put it that way. And let's get this being built. Because I want it to be charging. And it's just going to be all the power cells. Alright, boom. We got that. Next thing we're going to need is cargo. And I'm kind of... Do I want to do a two-wheeler vehicle just to save on the resources? I think we might end up doing that. So do a two-wheeler and a skid wheel in the back that I can rest on if I need to. And we're out of steel plates. Great. Just make like 30 of those. I need more oxygen. I have both bottles on me. I was like, where are the bottles? And they're on me. Okay. So cargo. I think I'm gonna do the cargo this. Wait, will that pipe? I need this to be one higher. And actually, seeing as okay, I don't know why it's showing up like that in the inventory. That will go there like that, so it's piped. Okay, now here's the question. Do I put a hydrogen generator, a hydrogen/oxygen generator on here? Because I could fit it. I could do it like that. Put the hydrogen thing there. Realize that the thing I need isn't on my bar. Okay, I don't need tanks anymore. And then this could go like that. Or somehow on top. Although it has to have open air access so I can put bottles into it. So maybe if we hang it off the back, because then that would, for future, I could hook up a rotor to it, and then I could pipe the entire thing. So I think that's what we'll do.
Energy low.
Except I can't find the right button. So make sure it's facing the right direction and place it. Okay, I need to get more power. Alright, so for the wheels, these are the exact same component cost. Yeah. Okay, build planner. It's finished. You can turn off. The 1x1s I need. You need steel plates. Of course I do. I made 3 because I'm out of iron. Frack. Okay, those girders. Just kill them. I don't need that many girders. I don't know why I have that many girders. Okay, make like 3 steel plates now. Yeah. I need oxygen. Yeah, I think I want them like that. So which way was the, yeah, that's the right way, I think. Like so. And then the big old wheels. Go there. Oh, it's being pushed by the wind. the right way around. I think so. Those are a little far out, actually, now that I'm looking at it. Also, okay, rotor lock before I can't place those anymore. I don't think I can place them anymore, actually. So, what I need to do is do something like this. Rotor lock off. Come on. Help me out, wind. There we go. Yeah, those are a little far away from where I wanted them to be, I think. Could I put them underneath? I could. Okay, let's try that. Because I have a ton of these. I know I'm only really moving the minimum block, but yeah, I think that'll work better, probably. And then I can just drop the cockpit right there. So yeah, I am gonna... I don't want to weld this up. This could take forever, but I'm gonna have to. Alright. So, I will be back when that is done. Alright, so I got the majority of this thing welded up. I think I'm gonna put a little welding, like, time lapse or something at the very end of the video. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see how much, because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Because I've used the majority of my time mining. I filled up that refinery like 8 times. Do you know how many inventory fulls that is? The scientific amount is a metric fuck ton. My god, it was terrible. Okay. But it's fine. So I think I'm stuck inside the wheel. I think the cockpit we're gonna end up going with is, even though I don't want to use this one, I think I want to use this one eventually, but it requires metal grids, which we can't make because of the cobalt. So we're just gonna go with a standard cockpit, and then we're gonna stick a vent on the front of it. Gotta get a whatchamacallit, a gyroscope and an ore detector if I can afford one. I'm not 100% sure. So what does this thing require? 5 steel plates, 10 construction components, 1 motor, 3 displays. Okay, so when we got the steel plates, that's nope. Oh wait, this thing is off. Thank you. Okay. Just stick it there. Ten construction components, 1 motor, 15 computers. 1 motor, 10 construction components, 5 computers, 5 computers. Alright. Oh yeah, this thing won't give me a proper heat number because it's not plugged in. Okay, vent. Five, 10, 2, and 5. 2 motors, 5 computers. My recording PC just kicked the bucket again. So I think I finished off this vent and then it just died. And I didn't notice it until after I built a radiator and started almost finishing a gyroscope. Wrong buttons. Done! Hooray! Go away. Alright. I think I'm okay to drop this thing now. Let's just turn this off. Just turn to auto. Handbrake on off. Turn the handbrake on. And here we go. It's too front heavy. Great. Oh no, we're good. Yeah, we're good. It's a little weird to steer. Oh yeah, I gotta turn these to have 0 friction and no propulsion, no steering. Let's not drive straight into that hole. So maybe give them a little bit of friction so I can still use them to steer. There we go. And it's got 3 hours of power. Look at that. Alright, there are a few more things I need to put on this, like headlamp, probably a second gyro at some point, and also piping like the cockpit and everything together. That should be done, but I wonder if I could fit a drill under here. I mean, I could. Technically, it would fit. So we'll save that for next time. So yeah, in the next episode, I'm gonna install a ore detector. We're gonna go out and find some iron because, boy, do we ever need iron. I'm just sitting here so I don't die. Yeah, I'll throw some headlights on here. And yeah, I think that's it. If you guys missed any episodes, the playlist will be linked in the description, so you can go back. Terra Firma Punk has been put on a small hiatus until school exams are over, when we have more time to record. So probably new episodes next 2 weeks, maybe in the next 2 weeks. Yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good night. Bye.